and this is Jillian Kips. Oh, of course my dad's here. Of course he is. Dude. Seriously? My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Kips, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Anker Soundcore Mini. I have some very exciting news. I'm actually a beta tester for Soundcore, or for Anker, I should say, the company, and they selected me to do a beta testing for this product. So when you see this, you'll know that the product was actually released. They told me, and I had to sign a ton of agreements saying that I could not do any unboxings on the internet until it was released officially. So anyway, so here it is. Here's what it came in, and I don't have any features to read off my phone. I usually read off the features, but today I don't have any because this is a brand new product. There is no features on the internet. So we'll get to take a closer look at the packaging and see what it looks like. As you can see, I have not done any unboxing yet. And I don't know if you've heard of Bluetooth speakers. You know, I thought that it would be about this size, right? Like the size of like a sandwich. This one is huge, as you can see here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it all in the frame. So let's pull it out and see what's in here. Ugh. And this is the mini. I don't understand if there's gonna be one that's larger than this or something, but look at how big this is. Goodness. So this is the Soundcore Mini. It says right here that it's 80 watts on the side, and it's got a bunch of happy people dancing on the cover of it. And I'm not sure if this is even going to be, since I'm a beta tester, I'm not even sure if this is going to be the final packaging. So what you see here may not be what you'll see in the store. So it just says that it's party proof. Base up technology, 18 hours, and you can also charge your devices from this because it's such a large battery. And it's got a Soundcore app in order to test with it. So this is what the box looks like, and as you can see on each side, it just has nice pictures of either people partying or telling you the features of it. It says that it's fully waterproof, wireless stereo pairing. So I'm excited to try this. It looks really neat, and there's a ton of features listed here on the side. It says beat driven, fully waterproof, charger devices, dual phone connections. You can so you can do two phones at one time. Google Fast Pair, indoor and outdoor sound modes, two-way positioning, so you can either lay it flat or it can stand it up. And then that's it. So let's go ahead and unbox it really quick. I have no idea how to unbox this, and I did not even try, because so this is the first time you're gonna see this product. So looks like it just comes in this bag here. Neat. It's huge too. Okay, and it has a little box on the end, but as you can see, the box is empty there. So I wonder what's in this box. I like to open up all the accessories first. So the first thing that it has is a little instruction booklet. It just has important safety information, and it's got a quick start guide. So it's got the power, how to Bluetooth, how to pair it, and on the back it's similar. It's got a timing device, and you could pair it apparently with another Soundcore Mini. So here's the charger. And it looks like it has international plugs. So this one is for like Italy, this one is for the UK, or this one is for Europe, I should say, and this one is for the UK, and then this is for the American version. So it just flips down like that. So it's kind of nice. It comes with a little pairing, and then this box is empty. So let's get to this, and this is really cool. I thought it'd just be just a little one, you know, that they were gonna send me, but this thing is huge. So, oh, it smells really plasticky, like they just pulled it off the line and sent it to me. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, there are two positioning. So it's got feet on the bottom of here, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's also can probably stand up this way because it has rubberized feet on the bottom here. So you got two ways. You can do it like this or this way, you know, up and down. So, and as you can see here, it just says Soundcore. It's got two speakers, And that's pretty much it. It's got, I don't even know what this is on the back here. It's got Anker on the back, right here on this rubber thing. And it says underneath it's got a USB auxiliary and DC in. And then on the top it looks like all the controls. So when this is sitting on the side, the controls are over here on the left. So there's just a way to turn up the bass, turn it on, pair it with Bluetooth, skip songs, turn it up or down, skip songs, turn the volume up and down. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. When I press the power button, it looks like it's fully discharged, so I'm gonna have to charge it up before I decide to take it out. But this is it. Let me bring it closer here so you can see. Again, this is a first look. I am a beta tester for Anker, so this is the first product that I received by them. So as you can see here, it just says Soundcore across the thing. So see, it says Soundcore. It's got the rubberized thing on the back here that flips up. See, and you can see in there the USB port and the DC in and the auxiliary in. So you can play it from, say, an old iPod or something like that. And then on the top here, it just has all the controls. So you can see where it says Soundcore as well on here. And then here's all the controls for like skipping ahead songs, doing the volume up and down. And then this is just, I think this is for the bass. And then at the top here, there's buttons for the power control, connection, Bluetooth connection, and it looks like dual pairing as well on there, which is kind of weird. I'm not too sure how that works. So this is pretty hefty though. I'd say this is a pretty heavy product. This is called the Rave Mini. So can you only imagine what the larger version of this would look like if this is the mini size? So I'm very interested in trying this out, and I'm gonna do a little video update after I try it out. But in order to be a beta tester, I had to do the unboxing first. I don't have to record it, but I wanted to record it for you guys, of course, to get a first look. And I need to do the survey online, you know, so it comes with the non-disclosure agreement. I have to do the survey to tell them how the product works. So after I test it out, I'm gonna do another video to show you what it looks like. And these videos will probably be concurrent back-to-back in the weekly. So anyway, so that's it for today. I'm so excited to have Anker. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Anker is now officially a sponsor of my video. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit the subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.